ls110h is a split-window tint meter. Its host and auxiliary machine which can be separated bonded by magnetic force. The meter has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery and is equipped with a charging line as standard, which can charge the host and auxiliary machine at the same time. Before testing, it is necessary to check whether there are objects between the host and auxiliary machine. Short press the power button of the host and auxiliary machine respectively to power on, and turn on the laser. The laser needs to be aligned with the cross in the middle of the upper and lower holes to ensure the position of the host and auxiliary machine. After startup, the meter will complete self-calibration automatically. During testing, it is also necessary to ensure that the laser is located at the cross-center of the upper and lower holes. The transmittance of this film glass is 12%. The 1400 nanometer infrared rejection rate is 92%, and the UV rejection rate is 99%. ls110h adopts parallel light path design, and is also suitable for testing building glass, coated glass and large thickness materials. The instrument can lock the data by pressing the hold button. Remove the material and the data is still displayed on the screen. The ls110h is simpler and more efficient.